Using a non-destructive method to estimate leaf area of split partially split trunks of coconut seedlings. Leaf area is a biological characteristic of a plant that decides the light interception and efficiency of the photosynthetic and transpiration rate, as well as assess the growth and vigor of vegetation on the plant. Leaves are the basic way to interact with environment and take care of the basic requirement of plant. Especially the leaf area is affected to the degree of photosynthesis. Furthermore, measuring leaf area is vital for studying plant responses to the environment and for optimizing yields in a changing climate. There are a large number of destructive and non-destructive methods for estimating leaf area. Expensive leaf area meters can be used to measure leaf area accurately and directly by different methods. However, those destructive methods are not applicable when leaf area measurements are to be taken periodically on the same plant. So, this study was conducted to develop a common or different models to estimate leaf area of pinnate leaves of seedlings of dwarf green tall, and dwarf yellow tall varieties. In methodology, I randomly selected 60 coconut fronds from seedlings of each coconut variety and obtained necessary measurements. After that, separated leaves and cleaned them with ethanol absolute liquid. Then cut all the leaves into about 6 inches and measured leaf area using electronic leaf area meter. Multiple linear regression and feed-forward neural networks were applied as statistical data analysis techniques. This slide shows the way of getting necessary measurements. I had 10 independent variables. Kendall correlation and Pearson correlation tests were used to find the association between independent and dependent variables. Null hypothesis is there is no significant correlation. Alternative hypothesis is there is a significant correlation. P-values used to assess the significance. Output show that all the variables are significant. In the analysis of multiple linear regression, best subset method was used to identify a better model. For total model, it could be obtained a model with maximum length and middle width. This is the plot of actual and fitted leaf area. R square value is low. Here, the model details for tall variety. According to the results, the model with standardized variables showed the highest R-squared value and lower error. The model with log transform data showed the lowest error, but the R-squared value is low comparatively to the other models, as R-squared value is used to assess the explainability of dependent variables, while the independent variables high R-squared should be considered for selecting a model. Plots of actual and fitted leaf area are seen to be same. In the model for dwarf yellow tall variety, according to the analysis details, minimum residual standard error and mean squared error were obtained from the model with log transform data. R-squared value also highly in log transform model. Plot of model with log transform data is performed well than other models. In the dwarf green tall variety, a new model has been developed as an appropriate model. Cost of introducing a new model was derived Regression models which were from best subset method were violated homoscedasticity assumptions, so developed a new model. Here, the model details for total varieties using neural networks. Number of hidden layers, number of neurons, transfer functions, activation functions, training functions, approach and learning rate were considered. Input variables are maximum length, middle width. It has high accuracy and low error. Input variables for the model tall variety are maximum length, average length of last leaflets, and average width of middle three leaflets. It has also high accuracy and low error. For the dwarf yellow tall variety, input variables are maximum length, average length of last two leaflets, distance between two tips, average length of middle three leaflets, and average width of middle three leaflets. It has a lower error and high accuracy. Those are the model details for dwarf green tall variety. It has average width of middle three leaflets, average length of middle three leaflets, and number of leaflets as input variables. It also has high accuracy and low error. In the discussion and conclusion, for the common model, we can see a high coefficient of determination is represented by neural networks. When we consider mean squared error, a lower error has in the neural network model. When we see other models and compare both regression and neural network models, we can say neural network model has high accuracy with minimum error. So we can introduce those models for researchers, agricultural technicians for their studies. These are the references and thank you.